So hello guys, actually I was solving a problem called a Neetcode150 problem. Just I'm exploring this problem by answering and explaining how to solve, what are all the things important, and I want you all to give me a feedback. Yeah, this way is right to solve, and going with an language, and also the way of solving is good or bad. So let's start a video. So here, what is the question? Top K frequent element. So the question is saying about. So given an integer array num and integer k, return k most frequent element within the array. So we have one a num. So we have a called, okay, very bad handwriting. Okay, okay, we write. Okay, we have a num array. Drawing is too hard, bro. Okay, we have an array now, and they said we have array, and they said that we have k element. Okay, something like 0. We will keep at 0, and here are the elements. Now they are saying that we so to test and generate such answer always unique, you can be any order. So they are literally saying, they have given an example. There is an input, you can see here 1 2 2 3 3 3, and we want to find the frequent. Okay, how to solve? And it is k two times, so we are having a top frequent. First top frequent is 2, and second top frequent is 3. So from top it can be any order. See, they said it maybe it can be 3, after that it can be 2. So what can be the approach to solve? First, you can see what are the use cases. There is a num and there is a k. K is nothing but it is a, suppose in sorted, and we have find the okay, the value. Suppose 2 has came 3 times. 2 has come 3 times. Then we say okay, 3 is at the top, then again 2, again 1. So they here, suppose the uh, k value is 2. Then we can say okay, uh, it will return 0 1. This both element it returns. Okay, now how to solve this? First and foremost thing you should know, in an array you should count the frequency, how many times and each element is repeated, and after that counting you should sort it. So you should use what all the things. First what you will do, you will count the frequency. Okay, how you will count? I will say okay, first you will count the frequency. Next thing what you do, you want to, so this frequency should be in the dictionary format. Why this dictionary format? Because the key value here is a number. Okay, and the next thing is we have a key has a number, and the another thing, the value is an frequency. So this is nothing but a frequency, and this is nothing but a number. So we have a number storing as a key value, and frequency how many times has repeated. Second thing, we are going to sort. Okay, sort, what we are going to sort? This frequency dictionary in such a way, so if frequency dictionary has a value called 2 comma 1. Okay, we are going to take this position to sort by considering this position. For example, the another tuple is 2 comma 2, and we say okay 3 comma 1. Then we are sorting by having an index of second one. So this is the highest one, this is the lowest one. So we are considering this way and we are sorting, because anyhow this is a key value, it is a number. Next thing, the third thing we are going to do is we are going to return top k elements. So k, how many k? Since it after sorted we will get a array with ascending order, descending order, 3 2 1. So such a, okay, we are going to write an code. Okay, we will write a code. Okay, the screen is visible. Let's start writing in code. So we say for num, okay, first create a dictionary called frequency. After creating a dictionary, you say for num. So what we are doing here, we are actually finding the frequency of a frequency of the number. Then we are going to find for num in nums. So what this do, it does that what are the numbers are present, it is giving a traversing, nothing but we are getting and travels. So the freq dictionary, the key value as I said is num, and as per the freq dot, we are saying that okay, freq dot get num now comma 0. As you all know that what I am doing here, we are counting in frequency. So frequency dot get, this number is coming. Suppose the, for example, the number 2 is come, and until unless in the dictionary this number is not present, so default value is 0 and added. If the number is present, then this default value is not added, the number's key value is present, according to that we are adding one. Basically what we are doing is, if suppose 2 1 is present already, again 2 comes, then we are adding the value 1 plus 1. If a new number 3 comes, we are adding a 0 plus 1. Okay, this way we are doing these things. Next we have count the frequency, then we are going to sort this. How we are sorting, we are creating and sort. Let's create and sort frequency is equal to sorted, Python's built-in sorted, where we say okay, we have frequency, we have items of this, and let's create an lambda lam lambda of x is equal to x of 1, where reverse is equal to true. I am right. Okay. Lambda x, since what we are having the item lambda is, as I said here, we are fetching the first value and arranging in that format, and reverse true is after. Okay, for example, if we get 1 comma 2 1 comma 2, we get 3 comma 1. So after this what the reverse does, so it says okay 3 comma 1, and it says 2 comma 1. Roughly I have said the, you don't go with an values. Okay, next thing, after sorting we are going to get an top k elements. element repeated frequently. Okay, TLY. Don't go with spellings. Then for we say for num comma counts in from where sort frequency equal to k. Okay, top k elements. We are getting top k up to top. So there are 5. Suppose k value is 2, so first 2 elements we are getting. So since we want also to be save the result, we create a result array and say okay, result dot append of num. Okay, first we will run it. So something, okay, lambda spelling is lambda. Lambda. Okay, it is saying something happened. Okay, if you are getting such type of error, I actually test this. You can have this website CS1110 Python tutor where I search line by line things if it goes wrong. Okay, okay, what we have missed, the key value. We are fetching from the key value. Yeah, I also use AI. You have saw now because to have explanation. You can also use key equal to. Let's run. Okay, the big mistake, we have not written anything, bro. See, such kind of error occurs, so I like these errors. Okay, do thank you watching for this. If you want this kind of video to be improved, please have a comment below. Thank you. I will provide this. This is an you can visualize and you can run line by line what are the things is going to be happened. See, we are going to know about what are the things is going happened, how we are sorting, how it is returning. Okay, I will share this. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye.